Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to export all ChatGPT data. So to start, go ahead and open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile at the bottom left corner. Next, go to settings. Once you're on settings, from the options on the left side, select data controls. Now from here, scroll down and go ahead and select export data. So if you see export data in here, click on export. So request data export. Are you sure your account details and chats will be included in the export? Your data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. The download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it, and processing may take some time, and you'll be notified when it's ready.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
So to proceed, click on confirm export. So it's now processing. So open the email sent to your account and confirm the request. So check these two devices. Now, if you can't find it, you can click resend prompt or try with email. So let's select try with email. So enter the verification code sent to your email. So go ahead and check your email and copy the code and paste it in here and click on continue. And that's basically it. The exported zip file typically contains your chat history, account information, and other data associated with your account. So, processing can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer if you have a large amount of data. And don't worry, it will notify you if it's done. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.